Introducing how to use the COGAMICHI CarPlay FM transmitter function to enjoy the stunning sound quality brought by car audio. First, click on Apple CarPlay on the screen and turn on the Bluetooth of the phone to pair with the CarPlay so that you can listen to music, make calls, GPS navigation, etc. as you like. After connecting, return to the smart screen and click FM transmitter to make the channel on the screen consistent with the channel of the car radio. Return to Apple CarPlay so you can start enjoying your premium car audio.